Hello friends. Welcome to this latest podcast. I'm Lee, today's host. I hope you are well, and taking care of yourself properly. Yes, we know the current scenario is crucial, but remember everything passes with time. So, students or aspiring professionals, willing to study abroad or build successful careers, get ready with new normals. Take online classes, study hard and embrace your successful career. Today's episode I especially dedicate to healthcare professionals, who are currently struggling for their fellow OET courses. Nothing to worry about. You will still prepare for your OET exam with the most advanced study materials, practice sets and the right guidance from experts. I recommend English Experts Adelaide, a premier OET training institute in Adelaide. They offer online classes with morning and evening flexible class timing. You will get rightly guided by the expert teachers who keep themselves updated about the latest OET modules, changes, or strategies. Not just this, you would get online access to unlimited practice, the latest study materials, and consultation with teachers. When you look for the best OET training centre in Adelaide, you could find no other institute than English Experts Adelaide, offering OET courses at only $499. Their OET course lasts for 4 weeks, 3 classes a week. And the scoreboards reflect the success rate of the students. I guess this will definitely be helpful for healthcare professionals preparing for OET and looking for top OET centres in Adelaide. Quickly visit the website of English Experts Adelaide, that is englishexperts.com.au, or call them at +6 1 4 2 4 5 6 5 1 3 0. This is it, friends. It's time to say bye-bye. Next podcast will be arriving shortly.